Welcome back, folks. Working in the Jamaican yard.
As a man,
Lots of fruits and
look
flowers. Yeah.
So you know when I pick them, you say, "Come on, Joey, behave yourself. You need to behave yourself now." But what? But what? I'm not doing anything. Say you need to behave yourself. You know what you're doing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? And now when your friend them hear you, them a laugh off of you.
Yeah. I think it's a joke.
It's a joke to them.
Oh yeah.
Even though she may have bad intentions, still see me.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's a but you know what I know me now.
Man,
No,
sometimes you
no
run from
environment
these
is where-
women, man, and still chase you, man. You
Yeah.
run, and you say, "Listen, you know, I got my woman," and you know, but they do it as if a joke. But even if you don't give in,
So when you tell them, they're still not stopping, right? They're still not
Man.
stopping. It has reached a level where you see when that get real more intense now.
yeah,
And you have to say, "Okay, come on, Torres, this shit gotta stop."
yep.
You gotta stop this shit.
You know, you can't be playing with me in public like this in front of everybody.
People hearing all of this, people seeing all of this. Yeah? You know I have a woman and I have a respect her. You need
Yeah.
to stop that shit. Yeah? Sometimes they
Oh
do.
yeah.
Sometimes they don't.
Yep.
Because when a woman make up her mind to get her man in a brother,
Yep.
it's not normal. And
Serious,
sometimes, as I say, we are man.
Mm-hmm.
With people, woman them say, alright, we think with the dick. I mean,
Yeah.
accept that sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And not all the time man strong. So sometimes the dick talk more than your head. Yeah? The dick talk more than your head. You know, love her, you know?
Yes.
You love him when I yard, no, but
Yeah.
the sexual feelings and attraction. That's all it's about.
So the conversation is about
Yeah.
you, a man, know that there's a female out there trying to get at you, and you come home and tell your wife or your girlfriend, and they still don't believe you, or say you know you are the ones that have something to do with it. When you have nothing to do with it, you just work with these females, and they're getting close, and you try to ease them off, and you go home and you tell your wife or your girlfriend, say, listen, I want you to know this is happening. Okay, look, you know these people, you know they get my number through the work, and I have nothing to do with it. So here they call me and text me, you handle it. So they still want to hold you accountable when you have nothing to do with it. They call you coward and weak.
Yeah. And if you have intention or a plan for the woman, you would go and make your woman know all of that.
Yes.
You
Why
don't
would you
want
tell
that
her?
drama if you
Why would you
have
tell her?
intention. But you tell her and say, watch out. This shit is happening, you know.
Yes.
You understand? And if a friend them still, but
Yeah.
we don't want to create an atmosphere where people walk on eggshell round
Walk
you
on
or whatever,
eggshell.
because we're all good.
You know how I see this thing? I see this thing.
You understand?
You can't win whichever way you choose. If you tell her you still lose. You don't tell her you still
You
lose.
still lose.
So, boy, just choose one.
You understand what I said? What me I tell you, say, if the man they have intention to have a relationship, outside relationship, now go and tell the woman.
No.
Have intention.
Oh hell no. Hell
You
no.
know, for the likes, what is happening? Because
Yeah.
I something when want to happen. So
Yeah.
him not gonna make you know that because something want to happen. But if
Yeah.
there's something more they want to happen, I'm gonna tell the woman.
Yeah, man.
understand?
The wife, his wife and my
It
wife
don't-
just
it
gang up
don't
on us.
scare as the enemy.
Oh, look at
And
all these
sometimes
fruits
man have
back
them
here.
ego for protect for say well then.
Yeah.
Oh, you run from woman because your mother friend them a jeer him and all that.
Yep.
They laugh at him. Oh, you run from the woman. Oh, look how tall you have your weak.
Yep.
You know, so him not really want.
Yeah, it's a joke thing.
Yeah,
you know?
it's a joke.
Yeah.
So him not really want.
But some of these women, yeah.
He's a soft man.
He's a
them
chicken or stuff like that, so he just
Yeah.
play along, but he's
say.
not
He
interested.
But him not really.
He's not
He's
interested.
not interested like that because she never have. Like that. He would have look.
But on the contrary, that happened though. You're not gonna disrespect your woman. You know,
Yeah.
have her come and disrespect you in front of your woman. No. Like, listen, if you play with me a certain way, you know, and it's not really cool. But don't ever do that in front of my wife. Don't you ever do that.
Where the line going cross, me going
Yeah, yeah, you're crossing the
Around
line.
Me, you know, around the friends, the whole of us friends, they have trouble me or whatever.
Yeah.
You want them get a laugh.
A laugh
You want
or a
them
joke
laugh
to
at
you.
me and it's a soft or whatever, fine.
Yeah.
But when you see my
wife,
my wife,
Do not.
respect is due
Do
to her.
not. Don't
not
do, you know,
do it.
just
That's
say
where
hi
the
and go.
friendship-
Don't even conversate with
Yeah.
her. Hi and bye.
Yeah, that's where the friendship going cut out between
Yeah,
all of
yes.
us. Because that will show me say, you know, respect my woman for
Yeah.
you do that.
Because
You understand?
You're-
Okay, you fun when all of we together work and you laugh off of me or me get
And
weak
it's
or
fun.
you
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
you touch me or whatever.
But later
and
on,
run from you.
it's different.
I'm afraid of you and whatever. I don't have all of the fun. Fine, it's a work rate drama, jeer. and
Yeah.
camaraderie.
But when my wife is around, girlfriend is
When
around,
my wife is around, respect my wife enough that you don't do that shit. You understand? Because if
Yeah.
you do that shit, that's it.
That's the friendship end. That's
Yeah.
it. We just can't. We don't even talk to me.
Good. I just say the thing there.
Yeah. But you know, even when you set that boundary, you know, right? You still have these individuals who cross their line. So you know, that's why you say, listen, you know,
They want what they want. And
this is
then
gonna
do
stop.
anything.
You can't disrespect me in front of my wife, and that's it. You know. But when you the fact that you come home and you tell her, say, you know what, this, that. Because I tell my wife, and she said, you know, and of course, you know what I mean. Yeah, you know, she's gonna get an attitude. But for the mere fact where you say, you know what, I have nothing to do with
And
it.
these are the thing when the wife and
By the way, yo, did you climb the sauce up tree the other day?
No, I'm going. Remind me for going today.
Them go around there all ripe and rotten, you know.
Yeah. I don't see for remind me for going.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So and when the wife and behave that way, you know, them are gonna make it dangerous for you and them because when they behave that way, you're not gonna want to tell them nothing more and then shit can happen.
Yeah.
You understand? You're not gonna want to tell them say watch out. You have a friend keep on tie with me and whatever, I know. One of your friends, co-workers, and she do that because she want to get a kick out of it and
Yeah.
want them laugh off of me and You understand?
So,
So when
can
the wife
you?
behave badly now, them way they feel say you up to it or whatever. It discourages you to tell her anything again.
Oh, yes.
And that's what
yes.
what makes it gonna make it dangerous now. You understand?
Way past dangerous,
Because
man.
when you tell the wife, you know, you do it also to protect yourself. You say, all right, at least your wife know about it. So even have an intention, you can't have them intention.
You
there
can't
again.
because she know about
She
it.
know about it. So that's why you do it sometimes to protect yourself from the man. You say, well then, your wife know about it. So
Yes.
any sign of you get a phone call from her, whatever, and go and call that problem, so protect you from evil, dissuade from even one go that direction.
But you know they're gonna ask how she get your phone number. I said, all of we work together. We exchange numbers. I'm gonna be late, you know.
If you work together for
Cover
years,
up for me. Yes.
you could have probably exchange phone number.
Yeah, you could ask, you know,
You are friends and whatever. you
somebody
never see
baby
that.
christening,
Yeah.
somebody birthday, a kid
Right.
birthday or
And
something, you know.
But
But-
a phone number in case of any emergencies or anything.
And a lot of the times though, you and this person were friends before you meet your woman,
Quite so.
right?
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
90% of the time.
90% of the time. And they were always playing like that, but you say, listen, me have a woman now, you can't joke like this no more, you can't play like this
Yeah,
no more.
right.
But even when you tell them that, they still don't wanna, you know, they still do
Even
it.
for your personal woman, you and them were friends like that, and probably
Long
she
time.
wanted to you on them time there, but you probably never looked that way or whatever. It just on and off. You understand?
Yep.
Long before you have a committed relationship now.
Yeah, man.
Now you have a committed relationship. Some of them don't know how to
How
adjust.
to approach, how, you know, to
yeah,
ease
so
off, to
yeah.
stop.
You understand me?
You know,
I say?
this is too much.
So, and I say, a
Well,
stranger from out
You
of
see
the
that
world,
bird
they
just
work
so
every
tame,
day.
just land right in front of two men.
But the fact that you come and tell your wife must understand that if you have intention, you tell her no. And you tell her also to protect yourself. You say, well, now that my wife know about it, if me Eve have a temptation,
Yep.
you can't go there.
You can't do it.
Because the wife no.
Can't
so
do it.
any sign or anything like that is problem because the wife no, she gonna pick up on it.
Yep,
say,
you'll pick
protect
up on
you
it. Yep.
from not even have a temptation.
But it's
But
a
when the
fact.
wife them be that way, they don't want to tell them no more.
Yeah.
It creates a problem for both you
Oh yes.
and your wife.
And your wife. Yep, yep. But at the end of the day, though, I'm not gonna let anybody disrespect my wife. You understand? At all. You know, for that, you know me, I just leave and just say, you know what, yo, it's time to go. You know, and when you see them person, it's a listen, man.
And she will
You
say,
know,
well, then it's
What y'all do last time, it was not nice.
It's biased.
Yes.
And a man part, yes, and I agree it's biased because you say a woman can't do that because the man I get violent. Yeah,
Yeah, it's
get
true.
biased.
But
You
you
have
know,
to also face the facts. Yes, it's biased.
it is,
And
it
it's
is,
true,
it is,
But
it
you have
is.
to also face the facts. That's the reality of it.
Mhm.
You understand? You have a song back in the, I think in the 60s or
Yeah.
early 70s, a song said, I will like you and my sweetheart to be friends.
Yes.
That was the man. I tell him,
The wife
him
and sweetheart to
that.
be friends.
You understand? And she say, what? And she say, well, yeah, because he must say, well, yeah, me take care of you, don't, and everything all right. And you know, say,
Yeah.
you are the wife, so you are going to get everything same way.
Mhm.
You understand? Your thing always are going to look bad. The sweetheart,
Yeah.
the sweetheart. So what she get?
Yeah.
You get 3 times the amount because you are the wife. So you have nothing to worry about because
No.
me not going away, mommy. Me come home every night.
Come home every night.
Bills are paid.
Bills are paid.
You understand? You're taking care of a woman. Me saw sort your sexual needs, your personal needs, and
Everything
So you
sorted
not
out.
worry about nothing. That's
Yeah.
what the song was saying, you know. That
Yeah.
man tell him wife, you know. And then now, when the wife sit down and she said, And the wife said, all right, I will like you and my sweetheart to be friends. The man said, what? Don't ever say them words to me again.
Yes.
And the woman said, honey, I was just only having some fun. And the man said, them they joke, they high, don't run.
I don't run,
So,
yeah.
it's a fact. The man, them not going to work with a system.
No,
yes,
no,
it's
no,
a
no, no, no,
stereotype,
no,
yeah,
no.
I agree, but it's a
We're
fact.
not gonna want to do
You
that.
understand? But that's what the thing said.
Yeah.
Yes, it's unfair for the woman, them, yeah, and we agree.
Okay, this
But
one
it's
for the
just a
neighbors,
fact.
them, right? This for the tenant, them back here. This for the tenant, them.
Yeah, it's tenants.
Okay.
Including that unit that we're going to finish up.
Yeah.
We started it already, you can see.
Yeah.
We make veranda area, kitchen area, so it's a real renovation to the change
Yeah.
of the whole
Yeah,
spec
man.
of the building.
Yeah.
So that's not completed. So
Yeah,
when
work
it's
on that.
complete, you know, they
Mhm.
have them ones,
One
everything.
set up and everything.
Yeah, the whole setup, you know, them not share anything at all.
Yep.
You know, so that's the plan. We're there probably
Oh
about
man, it's back here.
60%
Yep.
up to completion.
Yeah, man.
And after we're done complete,
Yep.
all
Sweet.
of this area.
No, I never saw this. That's why this morning when I do, but some text that on the line there
Yeah,
was
man,
there.
that is what our
Yeah, but
person
separate-
that we
yeah.
do for the tenants.
Yes, man.
You know, done, we have a grass area.
Grass here.
Sitting area.
Sit it up right.
Over there going to be our food area, garden area, plant up food
Yes,
and so
man.
forth, as you can see. The planting them.
Just
the planting
see.
already.
Man, Pete off, just come and picture
Yeah,
man.
man. It's a regular
And this
nature
regular,
here now.
yeah, man. Then come
Birds
and
and
eat.
everything come here.
Yeah.
Even ox.
Yeah.
Fly down and grab the lizard them and all them.
Yeah,
things.
oh, see him up in the tree there. So, yeah,
Yeah.
hard come down and grab this of them. Yeah.
So we have a whole of nature thing around here. Our plant
Yeah,
of
man.
food, flowers. So I heard that talk and tell him, say my place about food and flowers.
Food and flowers.
Say even the
Yeah,
flowers
man.
are food.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you can show him the shot of the plant now shoot already.
Yeah, man. I see that. I see that
Yeah,
long time of the
so
video,
cool.
man.
So
Yeah.
we're going to
Yeah.
now, all of this year going to be plowed up. We're going to plant tomato, sweet pepper. You know, all
Yeah.
of the cash crop them.
Backyard is gonna be a whole
Backyard
garden.
So that's what it's about. So you can see all the plant tree and banana tree plant there.
Mhm.
That's a pear tree. Over there, this is lemon. This
Yeah.
is sweet sap.
Mhm.
There's a sweet sap tree over there.
Yeah, man.
But as I said, we're going to do tomatoes, cantaloupe,